Guys, I've had an absolutely awful week. Awful week. Awful last week, awful this week, awful week before that. I recently got my suspension done in my truck. Paid that off. That ended up costing me near about 20 grand because trucks are so expensive and it really hurt my pocket. And then I hired a new driver and he basically burnt out my clutch, and so I had to get a new clutch in the truck, which is another nearly 5 grand. And then the tow truck driver who towed my truck blew up my gearbox. And so all up, this has just been a really tough week for me. And yesterday I was out doing work and NHVR pulled me over and defected another one of my trucks. And so it's just, I've just had this real bad string of bad luck, and I don't know, maybe I need to like, you know, where they get that brush and they have incense and they go around you. Maybe I need to get rid of my bad demons. Anyways, today I'm at Derek. So the motor is currently getting worked on for the Supra, and the Supra may potentially be in action in quite a short period of time. Is that right, Derek? Yup. But this doesn't look like a Supra, bro.
I don't know, it says Supra by Toyota.
Oh yeah, nice. Anyways, as we walk towards the back of the workshop, Derek's just doing some brakes and suspension. But we got the goodness down this way. Like, the goodness is down this way. Follow me along. Yeah. Spider-Man. So, past all these nice cars, you guys already know Derek and Chan's workshop. We got the baby in here, the baby. Hi Chan, you're on video.
Oh.
He's putting the bottom end together. So it's been a very long process, and it's slowly been coming along together. Everything's been balanced. And everything's been shaved down, so it's got no, as the motor's rotating, you know, it doesn't have any, you know, imbalances kind of thing. We've got some Permaseal here, Permaseal gaskets, race bearings. We got some calico, weren't they? The calico ones, which is really cool. So, what's the plan for today, Chan?
Pick up your blueprint again.
Oh yeah, cool.
Crush it and then you measure what's clearing on the bearing.
I have no clue what that is, but okay.
You have to check the bearing tolerance clearing.
Oh.
So then we can decide what sort of oil you have to use on that one.
Oh wow, these bearings look really nice.
Not expensive.
Wow, they look juicy as.
So this, I do the bearing crush,
Mm-hmm.
and then I see what's bearing tolerance, the clearing of the bearing. So you actually crush this and then see what thickness you got left in there.
I don't know what that is, but that's
Check
like
the
a...
bearing clearance.
Yeah, it's to check bearing clearance, so...
So we are assembling
little
everything.
bits there, there.
You press it, you crush it, and see what thickness you got left in there, and then you know what the bearing thickness in there.
Ah, okay.
What's the tolerance? What's the bearing clearance tolerance?
I don't know. Anyways, in layman's terms, what they're doing is they literally press down the blueprint with the standard torque settings, and then the amount of goo that it's gone spread out by determines how much the clearance should be. And so Derek is calculating it in here, and so he's measuring the gooey thing there. This is how you do your bearings clearance, which you probably won't do at home, but just so you know that when you take it to a mechanic shop, they should be doing this. So we're now just putting the ARP main studs in. Well, Chan's doing it, and I'm being a nice spectator, bench warmer, whatever you want to call me. The lazy guy, that's me. but I'm the supporter. Cool guys, so it looks like Chan's pulling out his micrometer. I'm gonna call it a micrometer.
Micrometer.
Micrometer. Is that actually what it's called?
Yeah, micrometer.
What a guess. So he's measuring up everything so he can put the pistons in, because the motor got balanced and bored to suit the pistons, and one of the pistons is slightly, marginally bigger. So he's just making sure that all the measurements are correct. Correcto perfecto to the micrometer.
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 Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of what's been done to my... Well actually that's all I've got time to film. They're going to be doing a little bit more. They're going to be doing the ring gapping. However, I just don't have time to stick around as I have to run a business as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's clip. Yeah, Chan, I'm going to get going now, bro. You want to say bye to the camera? You want to say bye-bye? There you are. Alright, Chan, I'll catch you later. I'll come down tomorrow and we'll make some more videos. Alright, catch you later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.